What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? We're currently on the way to a shop here nearby, because we're actually gonna take the GMC Savannah, as you guys all know, the truck that we just purchased, and then we're gonna take it there because it needs some work done. We gotta put some spark plugs and wires and a few minor little things that the truck was asking for since we bought it. Obviously not something really a big deal. My dad is obviously driving that truck. We're here driving the Platinum while my dad is driving the GMC Savannah. This is basically our routine for today. My sister actually started school today. I had to take her this morning at 8 o'clock. And yeah, yesterday was Labor Day. Happy Labor Day to everybody. But as of right now, I have nothing else to film, just the intro, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the new intro that I made. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the outro that you will see at the end of today's video. But here's a clip that what I was doing yesterday on Labor Day. We're currently now on the highway. We're gonna get there to the shop that I was talking about earlier. I hope you guys enjoyed the shots of what I was doing yesterday. I finally had a chance to use my GoPro under the water. So, let's get here to this shop. We have got here to the mechanic. There's the GMC Savannah with the hood open. They're taking a look currently now. So we gotta wait until my dad comes out. What this lady looking at me for? So here we are at the shop that I was talking earlier. There's a GMC Savannah, as you guys know. We're gonna drop it here because we're gonna get some service, and then we're gonna come and pick it up, I believe around 2-3 hours. It's gonna get, like I said in the beginning of the video, spark plugs, wires. We're gonna do a bunch of things that it needs to get service. Not like something really big. So yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna start daily vlogging. I really want to get into that. I know I vlog a lot from my trucks and here and there, but I think I'm gonna start this. I just want to, I feel like I want to start daily vlogging. Like, I want to share not everything in my life, but like, I love vlogging. I love having a camera on my hand. I love editing videos. My videos aren't the best, but you know what, they are entertaining, some of them, not all of them. So we're gonna get into the purpose of today's video later on in the video. I'm sorry if this video is gonna be short. I know I said on the previous video that this video right here that you guys are watching should be 15 minute long video, but unfortunately all the footage that was already edited by me, of course, all got deleted. Basically what happened, I was editing all my footage. When I hit save, my computer like shut off, and then when I started back on, none of my footage was like there. So it's kind of like my computer got hacked or something like that, kind of weird, something like that. But I got super pissed, and that's why I didn't feel like remaking the whole video again. Luckily I still have the footage, some part of the footage, where I found the 2021 Chevy Tahoe. It was so disappointing. That's why I didn't uploaded this video earlier. So I'm sorry if I upload this video really late, but I'm gonna start vlogging now. I hope, let's see, I don't want to have a camera in front of everybody. If I go do this and do that, then people with the freaking camera on their hands, I don't want to have the camera in their face. But with that being said, let's we're gonna pick up my dad. We're here, like I said, on the tire shop. We're gonna go and do some, run some errands, and then we will be talking about the new 2021 Chevy Tahoe. Not really, but sort of. Boom, we're back home after 2 hours since we left that shop. The GMC Savannah should be done here shortly. It should be done, I believe, around 6 p.m. today. We're gonna go and pick it up. I think I'm not gonna film it. If I do, it's gonna be probably featured on the next vlog. Now I want to talk about the new 2021 Chevy Tahoe that I catch on my way to Connecticut. It's really weird. I never seen the new 2021 Tahoe in person. I saw it that time only. And that truck, I call it a truck, a small truck. I mean, it has the same look, it has the same technology that the Chevy 1500, 3500, 2500, 4500. It literally has all the features that a 2021 Chevy Silverado has. So it's a cool little SUV. Well, not little, it's a huge SUV, honestly. I said little, but no, but actually that 2021 Tahoe is actually pretty sick. I do want to take a look at it in person, but I honestly don't know which one I like more, if the Yukon or the Tahoe. Because the 2021 GMC Yukon looks a lot like the 2021 F-150. The front end, that is. If you guys seen the 2021 F-150, I literally talk about it. I made a video. I will drop a car somewhere here, and you can check that video out if you're interested. That video is the video that I was talking about. Probably, if the truck is gonna be the best selling truck for 2021, I don't know. I don't want to stay here talk about that all day long, because I can stay here, I promise you. I can make a vlog, like 1 hour long vlog, talking about the 2021 F-150, Dodge and the TRX and the Raptor and blah 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 blah. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I'm actually trying so hard to start daily vlogging, but I don't feel like having, I don't feel like people will like me having their camera in their face, filming for the whole day. I mean, I like filming. I don't care. I'm just gonna do it. So that's a new routine. I'm gonna start daily vlogging. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you can get a notification every time I post. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you saw me for the first time and you haven't already and you feel like you're gonna want to, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.